What's up, guys? We are back. This is week 2 of the 100% day trading challenge. Remember, my goal is to make 100% return in the stock market over the course of a year. And I'm going to take you through the ins and outs, the day-to-day of what that looks like. All right? My name's Wayne Bennett again. I started day trading like a year ago. And as I've been going along this journey, it's been amazing. I've just been learning more about how to create better strategies, how to become a better trader. So I thought it would be awesome to do a challenge. Conservatively, they say you're going to make 30% out of the stock market. So I decided, hey, let's be ambitious. Let's do something a little different. Let's do something a little extra. And let's see if we can get 100% return out of the stock market. So I'm going for it. You're going to see me do that right in front of your face. And I'm saying it confidently because I know I can do it. All right. I want to talk about my strategy really quick. It's a 1-to-2 ratio. I always risk 1% to gain 2%. So on any losing trade, I'll lose 1%. On any winning trade, I'll win 2%. All right. So that's the strategy. That's the approach. I'm looking for patterns that show signs of higher highs and higher lows. And I use TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim platform. It's the platform I use to read charts so that I can do all of my technical analysis on what looks like a great stock to take a day trade on. So enough of that. Let's talk about what happened this week. It was a loss of 2%. Another losing week. All right. I took a position on LABD yesterday. It's an ETF, and it was a loss of 1% on that. And today I took a position on a therapeutics company called KPTI. That's the ticker symbol. And it was also a loss of 1%. Let me talk about what was really interesting about these, though, is that I take the trade, I buy in at a certain amount, and the stock would shoot up to like 1.2%. So I'd be up in the trade, but it wouldn't quite hit 2%. And so it would end up going all the way down and hit my stop loss at 1%. So instead of taking profits, I just actually let it hit my stop loss because I don't want to derive from my strategy. I want to maintain the integrity of the way that I trade. It's to always risk 1% to gain 2%. So when I'm gaining, I'm always gaining 2%. And when I'm losing, I'm always losing 1%. So that puts me at negative 5% on our 100% day trading challenge. So it looks like I've got 105% before I hit the goal, but that's fine. That's the stock market. It goes up, it goes down. You're going to have a lot of losing trades. You're going to have a lot of winning trades. But the objective is to make sure that you're winning more than you're losing. So I'm going to give you guys a look at how these trades went as well. So you have a closer look of understanding of the way I trade, and maybe you can pick some useful information. You can steal some stuff, or maybe something you'll find some value in what you're seeing. All right, so it's Wayne Bennett here. I want to go through a couple of my trades yesterday. So I took a position on a company called LABD. We're looking at the chart for that. We're looking at the 15-minute chart, but we want to go to the 180-day chart, and we can see right here that it's making higher highs and higher lows. So I thought, hey, I can take a position right here and it'll probably shoot back up, which is why I took a position on it yesterday. Let me see. Yesterday was the 5th. And let me see exactly where I bought in at so I can tell you exactly what happened. I bought at $22.90 yesterday. So let me see where it hit at. Cool. So it was the very top of the morning, $22.90, right? And I was hoping that I could catch this and I could ride that wave for a 2% gain about right here to 23.43. But of course, what happened is it fell down. So I cut my losses, and that was a 1% loss on LABD. So the direction wasn't quite ready to shoot up yet. It will, it just wasn't the time yet. So it was a 1% loss on that one. And today I took a position on KPTI. Let's take a look at that. And so we can see here as well that it's on a 180-day chart that it's making higher highs and higher lows. Or its direction is actually, it's going up here, right? So the direction is kind of doing this. So yeah. So I took a position today on KPTI. Let me see, I bought in at $9. My goal was to get in at $9.49. I actually got in at $9.54 actually. $9.54, like right there. And I got up to what, $9.67, which is about a let me see. It was like a 1.2% gain. But of course, I'm looking at lock-in profits at 2%. So at its height, it was like 1.2%. So it ended up falling, which ended up being a losing trade. So this week, 2 losing trades, which sucks, but nah, it doesn't really suck. I mean, that's the game of trading. You're not always right. That's the market. When you win 2%. When you lose 1%. But it's nothing to get crazy over. The next day will be another opportunity, and we'll have a better trade. So that's sort of the breakdown of what I did. So yeah, but that's how it's going. I lost 2% this week, but that's all right. Next week we'll come back. And let me talk about this. The market was closed Monday, so I did not have 3 trades because let's say I had lost yesterday, I lost today, but I came back tomorrow and I had a winning trade. Well, that would cancel out my last 2 losses. So I didn't have a 3rd trade because the market was closed on Monday. So I'll pick back up next Wednesday trading, and I'm believing that next week it's going to be all winning trades. I'll come back and say, hey, I'm up 6% for the week, and we'll be profitable. But I'm just telling you guys what's happening, and make sure that you follow this challenge. Make sure that you let anybody who may be interested in stock investing, let them know about this challenge and what I've got going on, because there's a lot of useful information that you can take. I'm sure. I'm showing you the ins and outs. I'm showing you why I trade certain stocks, why I leave other stocks alone, and the things that I find value and I find interest in. All right. So I want to make it clear though, I'm in no way telling anyone what to do or making any suggestions about what you should do. I'm only offering the information that I know in my process and the way that I approach stock trading. So yeah, that's it.